Good evening. Track and Field's local governing body, the J3As, has taken issue with the women's sprint relay quartet, which represented the country at Thursday's Zurich Diamond League meet in Switzerland. According to J3A's president, Dr. Warren Blake, the quartet of Gayon Evans, Sharon Simpson, Yannick Thompson and Karen Stewart were not sanctioned to represent the country in the event at the meet. The team placed sixth in a time of 44.16 seconds. And Dr. Blake says there could have been serious ramifications for their performance. For example, if they had broken a national record, that performance would not have been ratified by the J3As. My understanding is that permission to represent Jamaica in such an event should have been sought from the J3As by the agents of the athletes involved and also the organizers of the meet ahead of the actual race or competition. But in Thursday's case, this was not done. The J3A's president says they have settled similar issues with the organizers of the London Diamond League meet, as well as the Penn Relays, and that they would be writing to the organizers of the Zurich meet. Now, one expects that all senior national athletes should be well aware of the rules and regulations governing national representation at the regional and international levels. However, I also understand that the possibility exists whereby sometime agents may try to convince athletes that approval has already been received from their national association whenever situations like last Thursday arise from time to time. One hopes that this was not the case on Thursday and that our athletes will show an understanding and appreciation for the rules and regulations governing national representation going forward. I'm Spencer Darlington. Good evening.